Sparrow, or as I like to call it, Passer domesticus. That's Latin. There are two types of Passer domesticus in the UK. The first is the tree Passer domesticus. They live in trees, and they have around 200,000 breeding pairs. That's quite a lot of sex. Bird sex. The other type of Passer domesticus is the house Passer domesticus. As the name suggests, they live in houses, only venturing outside to eat their weekly meal. House Passer domesticuses have in the region of 5.3 million breeding pairs. That's even more sex. More bird sex. Just think about that for a moment. Over 10 million birds. Actually, it's closer to 11 million birds. Doing it. We managed to capture some audio with a hidden microphone disguised as a tree so that we could listen to the house Passer domesticus having his dinner. Oh,